This was one point of confusion during the installation, and that was how to attach all the stuff on the front. So I'm going to do you a close-up. This right here is the tablet or smartphone holder. You can see it just went with those 3 screws. This bracket right here that the computer is built into, or attached to rather, it was a little confusing. So basically this is how I ended up doing it. I've got the water bottle cages and weight cage, whatever you want to call it, they went on each side. So there's 2 screws on each side. This piece, and you can see here, that is if you want to bring your handlebars closer or take them further away. Make sure that's in front of this bracket. See, that was the pain point I had there. This is not going to rotate in a full 360 degree fashion. So that's why I was kind of perplexed. I'm like, am I doing this right? Because that's out front, and that's how all that looks. And other than that, let me see if I had any other points of confusion. I'm just going to go by close up and show you how everything looks. Obviously the pedals are labeled. There's L on the crank arm, and there's L there. So pay attention to that. Also on the right side it's R and R. And keep in mind when you screw, not when you screw in, but when you attach the pedals, one of these goes in a different direction. So and there's actually a little, there's a directional indicator on there. So keep in mind, if you're trying to put a pedal on one side, it doesn't seem like it's going on. It's probably because the other side you've got to turn in the opposite direction. Be really careful with that because you don't want to strip your your crank arms. So make sure they're straight before you start tightening it down. But man, these pedals feel really good. I was actually honestly blown away by the pedal quality, because normally with an exercise bike you're often tasked with, this is really poor quality and I need to get another pedal. But I don't see any reason to replace these. And they've even got the thing if you're using clipless. So that's super nice. The only other thing is make sure when you put your computer on, see there's a little cable from the computer. Just make sure when you route it down, I would route it on the inside like this. And then see it connects to the cable that's connected to the bike. And then the power cable, it's right there. And something I would recommend with the power cable, I would lift this up and put it underneath and put it on the outer side of this wheel, because you wouldn't want that power cable to inadvertently become caught up in the flywheel. Let's see, what else? Everything else was straightforward, man. I mean, I was very impressed by the time, the amount of time it took to assemble. And something else that's super important to mention, if you're installing this in one room and then taking it to another, what you may want to do is after you've assembled it, is take your seat post off. You can just undo this and take that off. Likewise, disconnect your electronics cable first, and then you can use this here, and you can take your handlebar assembly with computer off. And then that way, when you're hauling it to another room, at least for me, and I'm not a super strong guy, but I was able to pick this up by this and not roll it. Even though it has wheels for rolling, I wouldn't want to risk, even though it's got those wheels, I never like risk when it comes to rolling something on the floor, because these are just cheap laminate floors. So I carried it in here, and then after I carried it in here, I attached the handlebar again, and obviously plugged in the electronics cable, and then put the seat post that has the seat attached back on. So I hope this video helps. This is right after assembly, I will say this is a very impressive bike. The build quality is unlike any other indoor bike that I've owned, and the fact that it doesn't use friction pads is amazing. So this was just the assembly video. Subscribe and check out all of my Schwinn IC4 videos. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.